Friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Samad Khan from sociallypro.com, and today I'm going to show you how you can download and start using more stickers using your Messenger application. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do, as always, I'm suggesting you guys to update your Messenger application to its latest version. Then follow the steps mentioned in the video, because I'm demonstrating this in the latest Messenger app, as you can see right now. So this way you won't face any troubles while following the steps mentioned in the video. However, keep in mind that these new stickers are only available in the latest update. So once you update your application, simply go ahead and open it up, and you need to get into a chat and tap the emoji option, go to stickers, and as you can see, there are types of stickers I have already downloaded and available by default here. So these are the featured stickers. As you can see, I can only hit the download option and these stickers will be downloaded and available for me to use. However, to download new stickers, you need to get into the download option at the bottom right, and there are three sections at the top, as you can see right now: featured, all, and your stickers. So these are the stickers you have already downloaded. These are all stickers available for you to use, and these are the featured stickers used by most of the Messenger users. So you can scroll down and find the stickers best for you. I'll choose the Angry Birds stickers and hit the download option. So there is a download going on, as you can see right now. Let it complete and I'll show you that it will be available in my stickers option. So let me get back, tap the emoji option and go to stickers, and as you can see, the Angry Birds stickers are available here. I can use them whenever I want. That's it. So that's how you can download and use or send more stickers in your Messenger application. For more videos like this, you can subscribe to this channel and visit my blog sociallypro.com for more information. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.